the government has panicked. I have never seen, a situation where the police go and tear gas a church. A church where you expect very old people, a church where you expect children, a church where you expect, women, and you tear gas them. People are injured. Eh? Yesterday, is it yesterday or the day before? We saw the tear gassing in Kitengela. What was the cause? Those people were having a peaceful meeting. There was no cause whatsoever. There was no breach of peace whatsoever. The government has just panicked, and that tells you what is happening. I stand firmly with the united opposition in condemning the tear gassing of gatherings, the tear gassing particularly of churches. Today, I know the leaders of united opposition are going to the IG's office to demand prosecution because nothing has been done of those who were involved in the tear gassing of the church. I would have actually joined them in Nairobi, and I had said that if they are going to hold any demonstrations, I would join them. I would have loved to join them in going to the IG's office and demand the prosecution of those people. But we had already made plans to be here, and that's why I am here. But I'm joining my call with theirs that we should not